Oh my gosh. Did you guys see the news? Did you see that we have a new premium starter kit coming out for kids?
Amazing.
Amazing. I'm so excited. And what's awesome is that we've all used all of these oils except for the brand new oil that's coming out. So we've used them. We know that we love them. We know they're amazing. And now we just get to share the heck out of it and like let everyone know. And so as soon as I announced it, like I announced it publicly, I was telling my team about it, and I was like, Tim, we gotta do something with the book. So it's late at night, running on very little sleep because it's been a very exciting week here. But we have this book. Hold up, there we go. We have this book, What's That Smell, Mommy? Which I know is probably backwards to you. At least it looks like it's backwards to you. But this is the book that we wrote. It's been a few years in the making. It is an aromatherapy book. So it's all about how smells work. And it's written in rhyme form for kids, also for adults, because I know that sometimes we overcomplicate it, and it's really easy to get nervous about what do I use, how do I use it. The cool thing about the Kid Sense line is just say the word of the oil, and it's amazing. Say the word, and that lets you know how to use it. However, if you really get stuck, this gives you those hints. And then also because it's for kids, it's not just the oils, it's also the lifestyle. And so yes, this book does go into that, about how we have to look at labels, how we have to be educated consumers. So anyway, that being said, if you haven't gotten your hands on What's the Smell, Mommy, everyone that has read it so far is like so excited about it. And we want to be able to get it in as many hands as possible. And we now have a kit, and this is the perfect thing to be giving as a gift as well as the kit. So here's what I would recommend. Here's what I am actually going to be doing when I have new members sign up. And I actually already know that I have someone signing up tomorrow. They're getting a copy of this book. They're also getting a copy of the essentials. Sorry, this is crooked right now. There we go, that's better. They're also getting a copy of the essentials because we all need to make sure that the mamas who are usually the ones buying it, sorry, no offense, dads, but the people that are buying it, the adults, have the guidance that they need. That's where the essentials comes in. That's where it talks about the lifestyle. There's a section on kids in there. There's a section on babies. So you cover all of everything that you need to know. No sending postcards out. The essentials handles it all. But then this is going to be the extra enrollment gift because it is meant as that story time with kids. It's meant as that empowerment book, and it's meant to help just the families feel confident in the new adventure that they're embarking on.
Be able to get started.
Be able to get started, exactly. So you want to flip to a couple pages just so we can show, because it's been a little while since we've shown it. So anyway, this is the book that we wrote. Here, will you hold it up actually?
Yeah,
okay, that's good. The lighting is tough in here. So anyway, this is the story. We have a local illustrator that we worked with. This is the story. So anyway, hold on, I want to just read like a couple of things, just so you can, hear a little bit of this book. So here's just a place to start. This one's for sleeping, and this is for waking. This is for aching, and this is for baking. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite pictures. All right, so the mint ones were different, awakening and alert, energized, focused, and happy, and delicious in desserts. So really cool ways to understand the different types of oils and how we can generalize them to help us. So some helpful advice there, how we can actually use the oils, put a drop in our hands. So you know this place. So this is where we talk about seed to seal without actually mentioning seed to seal. So that's where we get to put our own stories in there. Okay, cool. This is as we get into products there. So the kids are grocery shopping. now telling Daddy. So by the way, the kids are sharing from the very beginning. So they're sharing what they've learned with Daddy. Hey, that's you.
That's me.
Looking at all of our ingredients, making sure that we are being conscious consumers. And going on and on. And then here we go. So here we have safety, how to use essential oils in there, and then recipes in there as well. So the thing is, these are ideas that we have used, that we have tried out, that friends have tried out, and it's really great options. So as you are looking for a gift, it's not just the picture book, it's the recipes in there as well. So anyways, just to let you know, what we decided to do is the books themselves are not on sale, just the one books. But because this is for enrollers, now that we have this.
You can buy them, they're not on sale.
Sorry, yes, the one books are, yes, you can just purchase the one book.
There's not a sale price.
There's not a sale price for those. It's when you buy a set of 5 of them, the soft cover book is, you're the numbers guy.
5 for $60.
5 for $60, that is $12 a piece. Or you can buy the hardcover if you want, and it is
5 for $90.
5 for $90, which you said was
$18
a piece. So those are the lowest prices that we've ever had for those books, I think, because they're in the bundles, and they still fall below what we are allowed to give. So you can still give more per our policy. You have up to $25 of gifts that you can give. So just keep that in mind. But this is a really great option that the kids are loving, and you can just immediately incorporate that into those families. So with that, we're gonna get a graphic out soon showing what that looks like all together, and yeah, we just threw this together and wanted to get the announcement to you all. But it's live on the website, inspiredsharing.com. You will not see those prices on Amazon. Amazon is not a friendly way of doing things or conducting business on our end, but that's why we love the inspiredsharing.com site. So that's where you can go get those books right now. You can also add on the essentials because it's available, and be looking for a graphic really soon, as soon as I'm able to piece together what I can based on what's available right now. If any of you have good graphics of the new starter kit and can send it along, I would love it, because that'll be able to help me put something together. So with that, have a great one. Go enjoy this amazing new kit. This is such a cool offering. So good luck, everyone.